In the heart of Jharkhand, where access to quality education and essential support remains a challenge for many, Srijan Mahila Vikas Manch, known as SMVM, is quietly creating meaningful change. Through tireless commitment and deep community engagement, this grassroots organization is reaching out to children who are often left behind, helping them reclaim their right to learn, grow, and lead dignified lives.
सृजन महिला विकास मंच का उद्देश्य यही था कि मैं जिस क्षेत्र में काम करूं वहां बच्चे एक फ्रेंडली माहौल बने, उनको अधिकार मिले और अपने पढ़ाई से वंचित ना हो और उनकी बाल विवाह कम हो। और मैं उन महिलाओं के साथ काम करती हूं जहां उसको शोषण उसके साथ ना हो और उनको भी राइट्स मिले। मैंने सबसे पहले स्पेशल लर्निंग सेंटर की शुरुआत की जहां 3 से लेके 5 क्लास के बच्चों तक की पढ़ाई होती है। जो बच्चे अनियमित होते हैं, जो ड्रॉप आउट होते हैं, उनके साथ हमने स्पेशल मॉड्यूल बना करके उनके साथ पढ़ाई करवाई और कराने के बाद में उनको मेन स्ट्रीमिंग कराया।
These centers offer much more than remedial lessons, they offer a second chance. With focused, customized instruction and a supportive, engaging atmosphere, the children not only catch up on their studies but also rediscover the joy of learning. SMVM's approach helps bridge critical learning gaps and guides students back into the formal education system, reigniting their confidence and curiosity.
दूसरी, मैं उन चैलेंजिंग बच्चों के साथ काम करती हूँ जिसे दुनिया नकार देते हैं, जैसे कि एमआर बच्चे। दूसरी बात है कि जो अनाथ बच्चे। तीसरी यह है कि जो डेफ बच्चे, जो ना बोल सकते ना वो सुन सकते। मुझे इस तरह के बच्चों के साथ काम करना, उनके राइट्स पर काम करना मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है, जो मन को संतुष्टि मिलती है। और उसी तरह मैंने कई बच्चों के लिए एक इंस्टीट्यूट चला रही हूँ जो आशा किरण और प्रेरणा विद्यालय के नाम से। उन बच्चों को पढ़ाकर उनको रोजगार से दिलाने का काम कर रही हूँ।
This dedicated institution offers a vital lifeline to children with speech and hearing impairments, providing them with a space where they are understood and supported. Here, education is tailored to meet their unique needs, empowering them to express themselves, build skills, and access opportunities they might otherwise never experience. It's not just about academics, it's about unlocking their full potential. Recognizing that true learning requires stability, SMVM also provides residential support for children with speech and hearing disabilities. These facilities go beyond offering a roof and meals. They create a nurturing environment where children can grow, free from fear or neglect. Living in a space filled with encouragement and understanding allows them to focus on their development, both educationally and emotionally. To equip these children for a life of self-reliance, SMVM has developed comprehensive skill development and rehabilitation programs. Vocational training in areas such as painting, crafts, and pottery helps foster creativity and prepare them for future livelihoods. Rehabilitation services, ranging from physiotherapy and sports to counseling, strengthen not only the body but also the spirit. These programs ensure that children are not only learning to survive but are being prepared to thrive. Each initiative by SMVM is built on a simple but powerful belief: every child deserves a chance to succeed, regardless of their challenges.
ये बहुत खुशकिस्मती की बात है कि हमारे यहाँ आज राष्ट्रपति हैं जो उनका भी आगमन हुआ है और उनसे हमें प्रेरणा मिली।
The organization's efforts are not about charity, they are about justice, inclusion, and the fundamental right to opportunity. Through education, care, and empowerment, Srijan Mahila Vikas Manch is transforming lives at the grassroots level, one child, one family, and one community at a time. It is a journey of steady progress, quiet resilience, and unwavering hope for a more inclusive future.